Hi everyone, it's Sandy. Thank you for joining me here on my channel, Septerra18. I have here an easy fold pocket flip book for you. It's a great little flat mail or happy mail idea, so you could still add a few of your craft goodies or a gift card, and you could still send it in the mail with just a standard size envelope. And you can see it's nice and flat, so it won't cost a lot for your postage. And I was still able to put a couple of tags in here, a package embellishment pack, and also a note card. I've also added a extra flip up page as well, which will then give you a double top loading pocket. So that's another little extra if you wanted to add a little flip up page to make it a little bit more interactive. And I did use some vellum, but if you have no vellum, you can use any of your papers from your stash to add the flip up page, and I'll show you the tutorial on how you can make this. I have also put together a really fun kit, and I'll also show that at the end of the tutorial if you'd like to purchase the kit in my Etsy store. But let me show you how cute this little easy fold pocket flip book is. I didn't do a lot of embellishing. I just kept it nice and simple. So I did add this cute little paper layout embellishment that I placed in the front, and on the inside there is a side tuck pocket, and I placed in here a couple of tags, and that would be a great way to gift to someone if you're wanting to do a happy mail. You can also add your letter in here if you like. And so over here is the flip up page, and I did use some vellum just to add some texture, and it just sort of just makes it a more fun little interactive spot. And when you flip it up, there is a top pocket here, and this is the little note card that I've placed inside. So you could do that. You could add a tag if you like in here. You can add a gift card in here. So you can add whatever you like in here. And you can also probably add a tea bag sachet along here. I think, let me see. If you want to send a tea bag to someone that loves tea, that would fit perfectly in there as well. So that's another great little way. You can also add some little trinkets if you wanted to. And then in the back here is another top loading pocket. And this is the embellishment pack that I have placed in there. So it's nice and flat as well. And I just thought that's a great way to add the packaging in the back here. And you can see here it's a nice wide opening pocket. So it's not a really tight fit pocket. So you can add something in here that's got a little bit of bulk if you wanted to, or you can add some more extra pieces or items in the top there. But in this one here, you can only fit something that will sit below the fold line. Otherwise, you won't be able to close your flip up page. But this is the cute little simple, easy fold pocket flip book for Happy Mail. And I'm going to show you how easy it is you can make one of these. So all you need is a piece of paper. I'm using double-sided paper, but you can use single-sided paper if you like as well, so it doesn't really matter. And you want to cut your paper at 4 inches by 12 inches. So if you have a 12 by 12 paper, you can make 3 of these style flip book, flat mail flip book. So you can have 3 of these, and you can gift 3 to your crafty friends, or if you're in a group swap, that'd be perfect. All right, so what you're going to do, you're going to line your paper on the 12-inch side, and we are going to score at 1 inch, 4 1/8 of an inch, and that is the little mark that's just after the 4-inch mark. It's a little green mark. So then you'll want to score that, and that's 4 1/8 of an inch, 8 inches, and 11 3/4 of an inch. So I'll just repeat that. So it's 1 inch, 4 1/8 of an inch, 8 inches, and 11 3/4 of an inch. So that's all for the scoring for that part. And if you wanted to create the little flip up page, which is this one here, and you don't have any vellum, and you just want to use your printed paper, that's fine. You want to cut that piece at 3 3 and 5/8 of an inch, and that is the little mark just before the 3 1/4 inch. So that is, so you want to cut that at 3 and 5/8 of an inch, and then you want to also cut at 5 inches. So 3 and 5/8 of an inch by 5 inches. And then on the 5-inch side, you want to score it at 2 inches. So that's for that piece. And what we're going to do now, I'm just going to find my bone folder, which I might have misplaced it. So what we're going to do now, this little, the score line at the very end, at the 11 3/4 of an inch, we're going to angle cut the top corner. So I'm just going to do this. So you just want to do that to that part. And then we're going to start folding the score lines. So we'll start folding, we'll fold this part over first. So we're going to fold that in. I'm trying to find my bone folder. I must have placed it on my other desk. But so you want to fold that down. And then we're going to bring it this side, and we're going to fold this side in. So give it a really good press on the fold line. We're going to bring this side in, so at least you can see how the pocket folder will look like. And then you've got this other score line, we're going to fold that in as well. Now you're going to create yourself the cover. So that is all there is to your folding. So it looks the same as this one. So when you open this up, you're going to have the side tuck pocket, which is this side. And then you've got this flip page, which we're going to do next. So what we're going to do, we're going to open this up. If you don't have a circle punch to create this, it's fine. You can just leave the top pocket as is. Or if you don't have it, you can just cut like a little with your cutters, and just cut like a little triangle or a little part where so you can take your little bits and pieces out. So I'm going to use my 2.5 inch circle punch, but you can use anything. I'm just going to open this up now, open this part. I'm just going to turn it this way so it's easy, and I'm just going to punch that out. So when you close it back up, that's what it's going to look like. The next part, we're going to grab that piece of vellum or your piece of paper. We're going to create a fold on that fold line. We are going to open this up, and what's going to happen is the longer part, that is going to get placed like that. So then that's going to create like your little flip page. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to take this back out. I'm going to apply glue on this side and this side. Just waiting for my glue to come out of the bottle. I keep forgetting to fill up my glue bottle, so it's going to take a little while to come out. Here we go. Okay, so just a bit of glue just to one side. Here, as well as the other side. And then we are going to slide that back in, taking this side out, so making sure that's out. Just slide that in and making sure that fold line is right up along the edge of the pocket. And then you also want to make sure that your flip page is sort of in between the two score lines. I'm just going to just turn it over now, and I'm going to just press that down where I place the glue. So that's at the back now. I'm just going to bring it back this way, just making sure it all lines up nicely. So So that should create a flip page. And now I'm going to apply glue along the side flap. And then also at the very bottom on the inside, on that same panel. And then I'm going to bring it over, and this a little flap here will give you that extra opening for your pocket. So I'm just going to press it down. I'm going to lift this up and just press along where I've applied all that glue, which is at the bottom and along the side. And that should give you this front pocket here, and then you'll also have that back pocket. So that is how to create that little flip up page. And then on this side, I'm just going to simply apply glue to the top there and the bottom to create the side tuck pocket. And I'll close that back up. And that is your cute little flat mail flip book. So there's your side pocket, and then you're going to have that tuck pocket, and then you're going to have the top back pocket. So that was pretty easy and really fun. You can make a ton of these and just have them on hand. So that is just another fun way to create that using a piece of paper at 4 by 12, and you can make 3 of these with 112 by 12 paper. So now I'm going to just show you my kit that I'm going to have in my shop. So let me just bring everything out. So this is how it will look like. It is really fun, and you can have a lot of fun playing around with it. So what you get, let me just see, what have I got here? So I'll take this out. Let me see. So what you're going to get a little pocket, just like this one here. And then inside that pocket, I've packaged some fun bits and pieces that I had fussy cut. I'd punched out some shapes. There were some word sentiments. Let me just take it out so you can see, actually I've got them here. So inside this pack, this is what you will receive. You get a strip of little square foam dots that you could use for your embellishing. There are a couple of like ticket strips that I had cut out myself for you to use. A little banner shape, some random word sentiments, and you'll get 4 of those. There are 2 punched out shapes using some gold glitter cardstock. You get a heart shape and one of these circle scallop shapes. I also fussy cut a couple of butterflies and these flower bunches. So you get all of those in the little pack. And then you can also reuse the little packaging sleeve as well. And then there is this cute little pocket that you could also use. And this pocket is perfect because it can also fit inside here as well. You can see that it fits in there. You could also have your pocket facing that way if you like to, if you wanted to do that. So that is a perfect little way to add that in there. So that's the little pocket. You also get a packaged embellishment pack that I've already put together that you could use. And if you only just want the embellishments but you don't want the kit, I will also have the embellishments in on its own. I think it'll be a pack of 3 different embellishments, but that'll also be in my shop. So that's what you get, that. And you will also get, where else have I got everything here? I think you also will get the 2 tags. So there are 2 tags. And you also get 2 random flipbook pockets. So you'll get a random pack of 2 of a different print. So it might be 2 of these or 2 of these. So that's what you'll get with that. I'm just trying to think what else came with the kit. I think that's about it. Oh, there is also a note card, which is this one here, which I forgot to put in there. You'll also get one of these note cards, and that was the note card that I placed inside here. So you could embellish that and have fun with that, or use that as somewhere to write your message. So that is all the bits and pieces that's included in the kit, which is a fun little Happy Mail idea for you. You could have one for yourself, you could give one to a crafty friend, and it will come packaged like this, so you can have a lot of fun. So you can see that I hadn't decorated the bag topper. I thought I'd leave that for you to decorate how you want to, but this is how I decorated my one, and these are in the kit as well, so you could do that if you wanted to. You could do it however you like. And this is how I placed the little embellishment in the front, and it's a perfect little embellishment. And I'm gonna just take this out. Just wanted to show you, just gently. This embellishment will suit any of the colors, so you can see that will still look nice on that one. It will still look pretty on this one as well. And I think I've got this one, and that will look nice there. So it will go well with any of your flipbook covers, or you can decorate it however you like using your own embellishments. So this is what's in the kit. I hope you enjoy this really simple tutorial making one of these cute little easy flip books, and I'll see you all soon in my next video. Bye.